Right, just a very quickly update this time. I'm going to I've stripped off the ancillaries again very quickly and giving it a quick buff over and degrease and whatever I was left over it, and masked off the bits I don't want painted, and going to spray the bits I want to be green. The paint that's being used is BMC green. It's an engine, a company that sells paint for stationary engines and engineer, etc. It's an enamel based paint with 10% thinners. Doesn't need to have a primer. It's self priming. 2 coats apparently is going to be enough. Okay, so I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay guys, cheers. I'll tell you what, it's hard to see all the nooks and crannies on it. I think we've got it. I think. A bit dark this side to be spraying really, but anyway, that's it, guys. That's 2 coats. There's a bit left in the gun to do another coat, but I don't know whether I'll risk it or not. I suppose that'll stop any oil leaks if I do put another coat on. Okay, catch you later.